Imagine a world so close, yet so mysterious. A planet that has captured our imagination for centuries. Welcome to Mars, the red planet uncovered. Join us as we explore its secrets, its challenges, and its potential for future human exploration. Mars, you know the one. It's that bright red dot in the night sky. We call it the red planet, and for a very good reason. It's covered in rust. Seriously, iron oxide to be precise. Think of it as the universe's biggest rusty car, like a giant old car left out. But in space, which is much cooler, literally and figuratively, this rusty dust makes Mars famous. Ancient people saw this red color. They thought of blood, of fire, so they often named it after gods of war.
Mars, Ares, you get the picture. Imagine a planet blushing furiously. That's Mars, a bit shy perhaps. Or maybe it just spilled some cosmic ketchup. Oops. Either way, its color is iconic.
It has captured human imagination for centuries, a celestial celebrity really. Today, we know it's not angry. It's just geologically interesting. We send probes and rovers there. They sniff the air and poke the rocks. These robots are our eyes and ears. They tell us Mars is even stranger up close, and much, much colder than it looks, like a freezer with a great paint job.
Let's talk about Mars' atmosphere, or what little there is of it. It's like trying to breathe at the top of Mount Everest, but worse. It's super thin, about 100 times thinner than Earth's. Think of it as a diet atmosphere. Imagine wearing only a t-shirt in a blizzard. Not exactly beach weather. That's how unprotected you'd feel. It's mostly carbon dioxide. Not great for breathing. Unless you're a plant. You'd need a spacesuit definitely. Fashionable and functional. And probably a very good oxygen tank. Think of it as your new best friend. No deep breaths of fresh Martian air. Sorry, no morning jogs here, not without some serious tech anyway. Mars is the ultimate tech playground.
And the temperature. Bruh, Mars is a cold, cold place. Colder than your ex's heart. The average temperature is about minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit. That's colder than a polar bear's toenails. That's colder than Antarctica on a bad day. And we thought Earth winters were tough. Your ice cream would stay frozen forever. No need for a freezer. So would you if you weren't careful. Human popsicle, anyone? It does get a bit warmer at the equator. Relatively speaking, sometimes almost balmy, like 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Break out the sunscreen. But at night, it plummets again. Temperature roller coaster, anyone? Pack your thermal underwear, lots of it. Layers are your friend.
Then there's the dust. Oh, the dust. Fine, powdery, and it gets everywhere. Like glitter, but less fun. Mars has epic dust storms. Think of it as nature's way of saying, stay indoors. Sometimes these storms can cover the entire planet. Talk about overachieving. Imagine a dust storm lasting for weeks. Bad hair day? Try bad hair month. Talk about a bad hair day. Mars takes it to a whole new level. So how does Mars stack up against Earth? Let's find out. Well, Mars is the smaller sibling. Think of it as the little brother who always gets the hand-me-downs, about half the size of Earth. So if Earth is a basketball, Mars is a tennis ball. Think of Earth as the big brother, always showing off its oceans and forests. It's like Earth is saying, look at me, I'm so lush and green. Mars is more like the quiet artistic cousin, the one who writes poetry and paints landscapes, a bit mysterious, a bit moody. Like it's always in a deep thought, but with its own unique charm. You know, the kind that grows on you. It has less gravity too. So, you'd feel like a superhero jumping around. You'd feel much lighter bouncing around. Just don't try any slam dunks.
Despite the differences, there are similarities. Like distant cousins at a family reunion. Mars has polar ice caps just like Earth. It's like they both enjoy a good snow day, made of water ice and carbon dioxide ice. It also has seasons: spring, summer, autumn, winter. Just like Earth, but with a twist. Though Martian seasons are much longer. Imagine waiting forever for summer break. It's like having a vacation home, but with more rocket fuel. Sounds exciting, right? Like planning a road trip, but with a lot more zero gravity. It means we aren't risking everything on Earth. You know, not putting all our eggs in one planetary basket. Earth is great, but having choices is better. Like having both pizza and tacos on the menu.
Mars is our best option right now. It's the cosmic equivalent of moving to a fixer-upper. It's a step towards exploring the stars. Think of it as the ultimate road trip, but with more stars and fewer gas stations. A place to learn how to live off Earth. Like camping, but with more red dust and less Wi-Fi.
It's not just about surviving. It's about thriving. Like turning a survival show into a lifestyle channel. It's about our need to explore. Like hiking, but with more spacesuits and fewer mosquitoes. To see what's beyond the next hill or planet. Because who doesn't love a good view?
What would life on Mars be like? Probably a lot like Earth, but with more red and less green. It would be a big experiment. Like a science fair project, but on a planetary scale. New rules, new customs, maybe new art. Imagine Martian graffiti, red on red. Imagine the first baby born on Mars. A true Martian in every way. Talk about a unique birth certificate, a true Martian in every way.
They might have their own culture. Martian cuisine, anyone? Red potatoes, perhaps? They might see Earth differently. Like looking at your old neighborhood from a new city. As the old world, the blue marble. A nostalgic view from their new red home. Living there will change them. Like moving to a new country, but with more spacesuits. It could be a new start for humans. A fresh start, but with more dust storms.
The trip to Mars is long and hard. Like a road trip with no rest stops. It takes years of planning and travel. And a lot of snacks. And billions of dollars, of course. It's like buying a house, but with more zeros. There will be problems, even failures. Like any good adventure, right?
Hello guys, so we are finally here in the next video of the channel, and for this by far I can see it's the length of the video is affecting my career. So the views of the video are usually low, and I can see that you guys don't mind about the part that in the video is like these two videos that I, for example. So at this moment, so I will cut the most of the length of the video so you guys have the best experience. Thank you and have a nice day. Enjoy my next video. Goodbye.